guys, it's your girl Kay. Welcome to another episode of Real Estate Investing. Stay tuned. So in today's episode, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about real estate and how to make money into real estate. So let's just get started. The first regular type of, real estate investing, it's for people who has their home for a long time and then they've built equity. They just put it in the MLS, which is the multiple listing service. And then, to just trying to hope to find another family to live there and to sell their home and get the equity and then move into maybe a smaller house or a bigger house, just depending on them. But for people who are investors, they are looking for those houses that is listed below market value. And to do so, there is wholesaler. What is wholesaler in real estate? Wholesaler, it's people who go and get the contracts below market value and then sell their contract for profit. For instance, we have a property that is worth $300,000. A wholesaler will go and negotiate it down to $200,000, for instance, and then get it on the contracts and sell it back to an investor like you or me for $220,000. And if the number looks good, an investor will get the property regardless of assignment fee that a wholesaler got because the number looks good. Then an investor, the end investor, we call it end buyer, can take that property, fix it a little bit if fixing is even needed, and sell it back on the MLS, or they can also hold the property for short-term rental. So there is other kinds of wholesaler they call land flipping. So land flipping is the same strategy as wholesaler. They go and get a land contract for 75 to 70% off and then sell it back to a developer for 20% or 25% off. So that's the strategy about wholesaling. And then we have, I talked about it a little bit in my first video, we have real estate flipping, which is the strategy that I use in my business. We take property from a wholesaler and then we renovate it, then we sell it back either to a cash buyer or to the MLS. The last thing that I'm gonna talk about is short-term rental. Other people call it Airbnb. So what other people does is they actually take a property that is listed for lease, list it for a year, and then put it on Airbnb for short-term rental. They pay their mortgage or their rent to the leasing office or to the landlord, and they do it again and again and again. So there are so many strategies that you can do. You can invest in real estate because I believe it's the next future on getting your financial freedom. Please stay tuned for other videos. Don't forget, please, to subscribe and like the video just to encourage us to keep going. And I'll see you in the next video.